Okay, suppose the value of the car is halved every 4.5 years. Then we are going to find the value of the car if the starting value is 32,000 and after 10 years. So here we go. You have to remember which formula to use. This is the one that we are going to use because it says halved every 4.5 years, right? So again, here is the keyword half, and also the most important thing is we have the every whatever. So the one that we are going to use is, I will just say V for the value, that's equal to A for the initial amount times B. So far so good, huh? And then we raise that to the little t's power and divide it by the capital T like this. The capital T is the 4.5. All right, so now let me just write this down right here for you guys. Halved means 1/2, of course. And then every 4.5 years, that means the capital T is 4.5. After 10 years, that means the little t is 10. The starting value is 32,000, so A is equal to 32,000. And now we just have to plug in everything into the formula. Value is equal to A is 32,000. Great. And then multiply the B, which is just 1/2. I will just put that into the parentheses right here. And then the little t is 10. So we do little 10 divided by, and again, all this is in the exponent. And then here we have the capital T. Capital T is 4.5 every 4.5 years, right? So this right here is just a setup. And now just use the calculator. You will see the value is equal to 6,857.95. And let me put on the dollar sign right here, like this. And with that, we are done.